As a MP teacher and as an Art of Living teacher, he has conducted courses in 22 countries all over the world. And many of these countries, it was really tough to conduct these courses. Many of these countries were in war zones those days. And he had still gone there to take the courses as directed by Guruji. These include Iraq, Pakistan, Iran. And Hassan ji, I have done my first advanced course with Hassan ji, and it was awesome. It has really changed my life. And of course, the last course also I have done with him. His advanced courses are much sought after. Same way, he's a yoga teacher also, and he's responsible in spreading yoga in Middle East, non-Hindu countries where yoga is not known much. So he is instrumental in spreading yoga in those countries. And Patanjali Yoga Sutra, he's taking a series now. And he has really mastered the Patanjali Yoga Sutras, not only just teaching, but he is imbibing in his life. So today he will be discussing with us about the obstacles in life and how do we overcome those. So over to you, Hassan ji. Not able to hear you, Hassan ji. One minute.
Sorry. Good morning and Jai Guru everyone. Well, wonderful to see all your smiling faces. लेकिन आपके चेहरे की मुस्कान को देखकर लगता नहीं there are any obstacles. भाई कोई obstacles हो नहीं ये तो पक्का है. I think that we need a change of the subject. Everybody is so blissfully smiling. All are looking happy, relaxed, and nice. Where is the question of obstacles over here? Anyway, so nice to see all of you over here. थोड़ा चर्चा करते हैं, and we can have some question answers. You are welcome to share your experience. You're welcome to share your input. You're welcome to share your thoughts. So today, like now, we are heading towards Ganesh festivities. It is not just an external festival. ये कोई बाहर का, ये सिर्फ कुछ दिनों के लिए अपने आप को याद दिलाने के लिए हम उसको बाहर लाते हैं. तो आप साल में एक बार आपके ड्रॉ खोलते हैं, साफ सफाई करते हैं, तो पता चला अरे ये भी है ड्रॉ में, अरे वो भी रखा था, ढूंढ रहे थे कहाँ था, सडनली सब अच्छा ये बाकी है वो बाकी है. ये सारा है हमारे अंदर, बस 10 दिनों के लिए हम उसको बाहर लाते जस्ट टू रिमाइंड अवरसेल्फ. It's all there within us. So how do we? Ganesh ji is the symbol. He is symbol of the obstacle remover, Vignaharta. What are the qualities we see? How do we overcome? One is what? Through skill. Pehle to yukti, skill and strength. Right? What skill? The first skill that we really apply is through knowledge. Ganesh ji is, so one I would say, like whatever I said, whether it's skill and strength, both come to us as a blessing. How do we acquire the skill? How do we acquire the strength? As a blessing. Blessing से आप उसको acquire कर सकते हैं. Biggest skill that you can incorporate in your life is what? Knowledge. Knowledge is the turning point. It's a turning phase. It's a turning tide which converts everything else. This allows you what skill needs to be applied over here. In different situations, there is no one size fit all. ये हर एक के लिए अलग अलग है. So knowledge of what? The सबसे पहले तो knowing this entire world, this entire creation, everything is a leela. ये बस game है सारा. If you see Ganesh ji's demeanor, he is represented as somebody playful, not somebody very strict. Somebody playful. How do we deal with our obstacles? Playfully. Knowing that all of this is part and parcel of a leela, all of this is a game. Not taking it very, very seriously. Not putting like, if I don't overcome this obstacle, it is the end of this. It is the end of nothing, I tell you what. You are infinity. You are perpetual. You are permanent. It's the end of a very small thing, small event. But you know what is the nature of events? All the events come to go. What is the nature of achievements? Even achievements come to go. What is the nature of problems? Even they come to go. So pehle to you approach it with this knowledge, with playfully, ke bhai, all this is part and parcel of Leela. All this is part and parcel of a game. आप खाना भी अच्छा बनाते हो, कितना भी अच्छा खाना बनाते हो, थोड़ा अचार डालते हो ना, कौन डालता है? हम ही अपने हाथ से डालते हैं खाने को चटपटा बनाने के लिए. So nature of all this is problems is like this. If everything is moving smooth, slowly we'll get rusted. Hey, we'll feel अरे भाई तो bored. Where is the challenge? Life में अगर challenge नहीं रहे, we'll start feeling rusted. We get bored. Obstacles are all part and parcel of this. Being aware, थोड़ा awareness that the mind, हमारा जो level of perception है, the mind likes to glorify the obstacle and makes it so big and makes it so incredible and makes it so undoable. ये मन का भ्रम है, ये perception है. Just look a little bit inwards. Yeah. This knowledge that all of this is part and parcel of the game. Second is what? Where else do you acquire your strength from? You will acquire a lot of strength. Besides your pranayam, you acquire a lot of strength from faith, from Shraddha. The minute you have faith in God, that faith in the higher power, you are connected to something infinite. You're connected to something so big, so powerful. That faith, that gives you the strength to face it. Right? Have the faith as a thumb rule. As a thumb rule, itna to aap shraddha rakho that no problem is given to you which you cannot handle. ये प्रकृति का नियम है. ये प्रॉब्लम जिसने ये रचना बनाई, जिसने ये लीला बनाया, जिसने ये गेम बनाया, जिसने ये सुख भी बनाया और ये प्रॉब्लम भी बनाया, जिसने दुख बनाया, जिसने खुशी बनाई, जिसने प्रॉब्लम्स बनाए, ऑब्स्टिकल्स बनाया, वो एक नियम के हिसाब से चलते हैं. क्या नियम बनाए? No problem is going to be given to anybody which he or she cannot handle. ये बस केवल मन का भ्रम है कि I cannot handle this, I cannot overcome this. Address the own mind. Just look inwards. Draw your strength through faith. Right? And then you start applying skill over there. See how Ganesh ji, he's playful. It is almost a joke that Ganesh ji, he comes riding on a mouse. Why does he come riding on a mouse? So firstly, Ganesh is shown the elephant head means what? Wisdom, lot of knowledge and wisdom over there. You can overcome knowledge with that. But if you start looking at all of his all of him one by one, something that stands out is he comes riding on a mouse. Why this? So now, how do we deal with the problem? Agar hai, to chalo, though you've got the strength, you've got the faith now, one at a time, ek karke, small, start them. You cannot address the whole world and everything right now in one moment. But ek karke, you can address and overcome all obstacles or problems. There is a saying in English. एक बहुत मशहूर कहावत है. I will tell you half the saying, you complete the half for me. Okay? How do you finish eating an elephant? Complete it for me. This is the question. How do you finish eating an elephant? Eating an elephant itself is a joke. How do you eat an elephant? But still, there is a very powerful saying. Is how do you finish eating an elephant? The answer is, you know what? Bite by bite. आप एक साथ नहीं खा सकते हो, भूल जाओ. वो मूर्खता है, वो हमारी नादानी है. But bite by bite, you can finish an entire elephant. There's a lot of wisdom behind this. तो भाई लाइफ में है, playfully there's all these obstacles, problems, people are not going to, सब है. लेकिन धीरे धीरे युक्ति अप्लाई करते हुए you can finish up all of this using your strength. And your biggest source of strength, I tell you, one of the biggest sources of strength is your pranayam. वो करना चाहिए, लेकिन that is the source of your physical strength, of your emotional strength, but your spiritual strength. Your spiritual strength, which is far more greater than just your physical strength, comes through faith. वो मजबूती से बनाए रखना. I tell you, when your spiritual strength is intact, when your spirit is intact, you will face the whole world with a smile. It does not matter how big your shoulders are, how big your biceps are. लेकिन विपरीत भी सही, आप बहुत बड़े फिजिकली बलवान हो सकते हो, बट इफ योर स्पिरिट इज ब्रोकन, फिनिश। व्हाई डू पीपल, ऐसा देखो, यहाँ पर थोड़ी लोगों के पास कुछ ज्ञान की कमी होने से, वो प्रॉब्लम को इतना ग्लोरीफाई करने से, मैग्नीफाई करने से, फिर कुछ लोग डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं, डिप्रेस होके फिर सुसाइडल भी हो जाते हैं। ये ज्ञान की कमी है। और दूसरा क्या, स्पिरिचुअल, उनका स्पिरिट टूट गया है मानो, उनका जो स्पिरिचुअल भाव है, जो स्पिरिचुअल जो श्रद्धा है, that spirit of got broken, and that's why they feel helpless and they do something like this. Intelligence, wisdom is what? First, to know that all this is a play. I tell you, even our achievements is a play. If achievements are a play, then what are obstacles? They are also a play. क्यों उसको हम इतना भाव देते हैं, इतना उसको बड़ा ऊंचा बनाते हैं? It is said, of all the creation in this world, दुनिया में जितने भी, all the creatures in the world, human beings are top of the chain. Human being is a reflection of God. We are failing to see our own strength. We are failing to see what we really are. हम क्या करते, खुद को छोड़ देते, वो प्रॉब्लम को इतना बड़ा बना देते। अरे आप ईश्वर के कॉपी हो, आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या ईश्वर से बड़ा है? हो ही नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम बनाने वाले ईश्वर है। आप ईश्वर के कॉपी हो, आपके सामने ये प्रॉब्लम एक छोटा सा एक स्थान है, उसका भी एक रोल है, एक पर्पस है। So when you view it with this kind of perspective, I tell you, your mind is settled and you will find the skills to do it. आपको युक्ति लगा के करना है। और ये clarity of mind हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? That's where I will strongly say your regularity in your pranayams, regularity in your meditation. ये mind, मन के अंदर stillness लेके आती है। With that stillness of mind, you start knowing how to address it. Have faith on your side. Know how to go about doing this. Yeah. Okay. Now coming to something, going further. Even if you overcome the obstacle, even if you achieve, okay, I'm telling you something really important, something really big now. जब आप आपके obstacle को overcome भी करते हो, even when you achieve your goal, whatever you want to achieve, in the end, the reality is you are not the doer. क्यों अपने अंदर वो कर्तापन भी, even if you manage to use your strength, if you manage to use wisdom, if you manage to use skill, intelligence, and overcome the problems, the reality remains what? वैसे भी you are not the doer. There is only one doer in the world. एक ही करता है, उसके कारण आज हम जीवित भी है, उसके कारण हम सांस भी ले रहे हैं, उसके कारण हम बात भी कर रहे, सुन भी रहे, जी रहे, एक कर्ता के कारण। वरना किसी के अंदर इतनी शक्ति नहीं कि एक सांस भी खुद पे ले सके। दुनिया में न कोई ऐसा विद्वान है, ना कोई ऐसा बलवान है, ना कोई ऐसा है जो एक सांस भी खुद पे ले सके। When that force decides that it's time to withdraw, finish. Does not matter how intelligent you are, how many degrees you've got, how many books we've read, even that one breath. So reality is what? We are not the doer. People who get depressed, who get defeated, one of the biggest reasons is like they feel they are the doer. They feel they have failed, I have done the wrong things. मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, and because they feel they are the doer, they'll get into that comparison mode. उसको देखो ऐसा हुआ, उसके मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, poor me, I'm a failure. Or they start labeling themselves they go further down the spiral. Know that you are not the doer. आप केवल और केवल एक निमित्त हो. You are only an instrument. Even your achievements are happening through you. You are not the one doing it. To realize the depth behind this, to realize this at a very, very deeper level. Abhi hum to, when we're talking, we talk to each other. To understand this at a deeper level, become hollow and empty. I'm not sure, something happened, no? Kuch to hua aisa?
Yes, Hassanji, the screen has frozen.
The screen has frozen. Okay, कोई बात नहीं, ये भी obstacle है, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन हम मुस्कुराते हुए. So what? Let the screen freeze. We can still interact with each other. As long as you can hear me, I can hear you. It is still fine. So all these are known as technical obstacles. कोई बात नहीं, let it go. I can see a very smiling face over there. Jyoti Vyas ji, she's here with us. Very nice. So I don't know if you can see a blank screen, but I can see a smiling face over there. Lag raha hai कि that's it. Life is all set, no problems, no obstacles, they have been overcome. So to realize this, that at the end of the day, I am not the doer anyways. And then if you want the hollow and empty, this advanced courses, they help you realize this at deeper level. To take the subject even deeper, अगर आप इसको थोड़ा और deeply लेके जाते हो, तो you see, rishis like वशिष्ठ जी. वशिष्ठ जी ने क्या बताया वैसे भी ये सारी दुनिया केवल एक सपना जैसा है. Anyways, all this is a dream. Now, if all this is a dream, one second, I think. I don't know if I'm visible now.
Yes, you are.
I'm really visible. It's not a dream, no? I'm visible. अच्छा, है. Okay, very good. So, तो जो ब्रह्म ज्ञानी हुए, वशिष्ठ जी जैसे हुए, वो बताते हैं, anyway, all this is a dream. So even our problems, what is our problems and what is our achievement? It is like seeing a good dream and seeing a bad dream. बस. या तो आप बहुत अच्छा मीठा सपना देख रहे हो, या तो बुरा सपना देख रहे हो. है तो सपना ही. आप सपना देखते हो, आपने मानो बुरा सपना देखा, आपने कुछ सपना देखा कि कोई आपको मार रहा है, कुछ कर रहा है. अरे सवेरे उठ के पुलिस चौकी को फोन नहीं करते, भाई वो मुझे मार रहा था, वो ऐसा कर रहा था, वो मेरे घर में चोरी कर रहा. It's a dream anyways. So realizing these few qualities over there, if you see Ganesh ji, you got एक दंत है ना, one person, माने what, one pointed focus. He knows that all of this is, the infinity is filled with all of this, and there is this beautiful force, this higher force. Some call it God, some call it Bhagwan, some call it Ishwar, some call it, does not matter to what you call it. है ये शक्ति, ये देख रही है, सब कुछ कर रही है. Doing all of that. Maharishi Ji Patanjali says, what? He says, throughout our life, to overcome any obstacle, he says just one thing, ek tattva abhyasa. If you see all the Brahmagyanis, they have pointed out towards this one thing only. Maharishi Ji कहते हैं एक तत्व अभ्यास. सब चीज में वो एक को ही देखो. अब आप इसको जिस रूप में देखते हो, जिस नाम से देखते हो, that is your personal choice. लेकिन intelligence as a yogi, what he is saying is, watch that one thing and everything else. यानी क्या, आप में भी जो है वो हमारे मित्र में भी वही है, हमारे शत्रु में भी वही है. The minute you are able to see that, वो एक तत्व अभ्यासा, you are at ease with it. Stops bothering you. Chances are our obstacles may 90% ऐसा हो सकता है. 90% of the time, our obstacles are not necessarily objects or events, they are people. हो सकता है ऐसा 90% of the time. There are so many meditations of Guruji, in particular during the advanced course, where in the meditation, where you're at a deeper level, when he's taking you like in a 40-minute meditation, after he's taken you into 35 minutes of meditation, then very gently he'll remind you of something extraordinary. क्या कहते हैं? Become aware of an ant. एक चींटी को याद करो. और फिर उसके बाद करते become aware of an elephant. एक हाथी को याद करो. तो उस मौके पर, क्योंकि आप वहां पर इतने अच्छे से अगर आप hollow and empty हो जाते हो, you realize वो चींटी या वो हाथी हो, वो जीवात्मा तो एक ही है. केवल उसका रूप बदल गया है, उसका आकार बदल गया, उसका शेप, फॉर्म, साइज बदल गया, लेकिन जो जीवात्मा है वो तो वही है, चाहे चींटी में हो चाहे हाथी में हो. Then he go further in some meditations. He will take you in further. He says, just become aware of a minute grain. एक छोटा सा एक कंकर को याद कर, छोटा सा कंकर को याद कर. फिर कहते एक पहाड़ को याद कर. And really, when you are in that stage, you see that same Shakti through everything else. All the difference is only on the outside. रूप और आकार बदला है, अंदर तो वो सब एक ही शक्ति है. I tell you, all the Brahma Gyanis in the world, सबकी बात एक ही रही, एक तत्व अभ्यास है, वो एक को ही देखो. And don't feel all these Brahma Gyanis, whether it is Sri Ravi Shankar ji, whether anybody, don't think that they never had obstacles. They never challenged. They had obstacles. Possibly they take bigger obstacles than you and me. जो हम imagine भी नहीं कर सकते, वो लेते हैं अपने ऊपर. और लेकिन कैसे लेते हैं? They overcome it playfully, joyfully, with happiness, with joy, with strength, with devotion. They don't even fail at it. Yeah. So not making a big deal, not thinking it is so big. You are already blessed, my dear. There is no problem going to be given to you which is bigger than you. From our side, you keep yourself open to receive that grace. That grace will give you the intelligence, it will give you that strength. Hold on to your faith. अब आए हो इस बात के ऊपर, you are already over here, you are on this path. So many tools have been given to us, hollow and empty. Everything has been given to us. Where is the obstacle anymore? That obstacle is only to create a sense of interest and challenge in life. Without that challenge, our life will lose that interest. So, chala jayega. Yeah. So, end of the day, know that life is a celebration. Life is love, life is joy, life is enthusiasm. ये आप जान के चलो. Don't let your mind, don't let it glorify. उसको glorify करने ही मत दो किसी problem को. Yeah. So don't let your mind, वो मन का nature है, वो एक problem को पकड़ के उसको इतना बड़ा बना देता है, बाकी सब चीज को उसके पीछे छुपा देता है. Become aware of this tendency of the mind. Let it go. Surrender it. Know that now I'm going slightly deeper. It's okay if you don't get this part, but this whole. आप एक कद्दू को देखते हो, कद्दू है ना, मुझे मत देखना कद्दू कद्दू कहाँ से आया? एक छोटे से बीज से आया ना. वो इतना बड़ा कद्दू कहाँ से आया? एक छोटे से बीज के अंदर. अच्छा, लेकिन ये बीज कहाँ पर है? यही बीज कद्दू के अंदर है. कद्दू आया छोटे से बीज में, वो बीज कद्दू. I want to tell you, my dear, this whole world has come out of you. ये आपसे ही बना. I know this is difficult. This may get a little difficult to understand, but ये सारी सृष्टि बनी है आपसे. बीज रूप में ये सारी सृष्टि आपके अंदर है. बीज रूप में ना ये सारी सृष्टि, ये सारी कायनात आपके अंदर ही है. तो अगर बीज अगर आपके अंदर है तो इसलिए sometimes whatever we are tackling in life, whatever is happening to us on the outside is because our perception of that seed, वो हमारे अंदर जो बीज होता है उसके परसेप्शन की खातिर होता है. तो हमारे अंदर कभी कभार एक परसेप्शन का बीज ऐसा जाता है, लाइफ इज अ स्ट्रगल, nobody listens to me, life is like this, life is misery, ऐसा. भाई फिर उसी बीज का हमारे आजू बाजू उसका पेड़ बनना शुरू हो जाता है. All that starts forming around us. Sometimes I look at people, they are doing well in life, they are successful, तो मेरे अंदर मुमकिन है ऐसा जेलसी की भावना पैदा हो जाती है. I am feeling jealous towards that person. फिर मेरे अंदर ग्रीडीनेस आ जाता है. तो ये सारे छोटे छोटे नेगेटिव बीज है, ये सब नेगेटिव सीड है. और मेरे आजू बाजू क्या होने लगता है, फिर नेगेटिविटी का फॉरेस्ट बनने लगता है. तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? वो बीज लेवल पे करेक्शन करना चाहिए. डू यू रियली बिलीव दैट लाइफ इज अ सेलिब्रेशन? इफ यू रियली बिलीव लाइफ इज अ सेलिब्रेशन, आपके आजू बाजू सेलिब्रेशन ही होते रहेंगे. Your life will only be celebration, despite obstacles, despite everything. Your whole demeanor will be like that. Do you believe you are connected to God at a very, very deep level, such a deep level that even your breath is not yours? ना मानते हो क्या आप? Not just intellectually, but at a deeper level. You are so deeply connected to God that even my breath does not belong to me. It belongs that also. when you are at, when you connect at such a deep level, what are these obstacles? They're nothing. So just make that little correction. थोड़ा सा जरा अपने ही अंदर करो, अपने ही अंदर bring that change in that seed form. Know that you are all of that. So I tell you, Ganesha and all, no, it's only a reflection of what we are inside. ये केवल आईना है. हमको बाहर गणेश जी की जो आप पूजा करते हो ना, कोई बात नहीं, ये शुरुआत के लिए बच्चे को सिखाते हैं तो हम कैसा ऐसा हाँ, हैंड राइटिंग सिखाते हैं तो पेन हाथ पकड़ के ऐसा 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 धीरे धीरे सिखाते. तो बाहर जो हम वो बाहर जो पूजा पाठ करते कुछ तो can you hear me now? Don't worry, yeah, ये technical obstacles आते रहेंगे, but don't worry, we will hold on to our path. गणेश जी जो है, जो ये बाहर हमें एक याद दिलाने के लिए कि ये सारी शक्ति मेरे ही अंदर है. All that is contained in that elephant head, that wisdom, that trunk, all that is contained within me. And when the time comes out, जब वो समय, जब requirement जब होंगी, तो एक एक गुण भी उसके बाहर आ जाएंगे. फिर से no sound?
No, it's audible. It's audible. It's audible.
Okay, so now चलो, anybody's got, अभी I want to hear your sound. अभी आपसे sound सुनना है मुझे. From my side, no more sound. Let me hear your sound. If anybody's got any questions, anybody wants to say something, anybody wants to share something, you're more than welcome, guys.
Asalme, many people have sent a message. They said, we know all these are good things, but we can't implement them. The mind becomes very lazy. The body is even more lazy. So how to implement this knowledge?
थोड़ा take small baby steps towards the knowledge. I tell you, even when you are aware, आप इतनी भी awareness हमारे अंदर आती है कि I'm not applying knowledge over there, that is still in knowledge. You are still in knowledge. So take baby steps again and again. Take baby steps. Remember this: how to finish eating an elephant? Bite by bite, bite by bite, bite by bite. छोटा करके you can make an entire elephant vanish from there. Yeah.
Some people are saying after doing advanced course we become very sensitive. So how do we deal that? Slightless negative things become very sensitive to that. What's the solution?
No. You don't become sensitive. You actually become very subtle. There's a big difference, huh? Advanced course करने के बाद आप sensitive नहीं हो जाते हो, आप सूक्ष्म हो जाते हो. You become very, very subtle. So next time when you are very subtle, very आप सूक्ष्म हो जाते हो, तो कोई आपको अगर अच्छे से बात कर रहा है, कोई बुरे से बात कर रहा है, आपके अंदर इतनी सूक्ष्मता होती है कि आप जान सके why he is upset. वो अगर इंसल्टिंगली बात कर रहा है तो वो उसके अंदर दुखी है, उसके अंदर कुछ तो दुख है, उसके अंदर कुछ तो ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है. That's why he is behaving like this. You start becoming subtle. You don't become sensitive. Maybe that subtleness is one step after the sensitivity. Don't worry. You just continue. You मान के चलो. You are hollow and empty, and you start from sensitivity. You will go into subtleness.
Asalme, what are the benefits of repeating an advanced course? I have done it once. Do I think I know it all, or should I repeat the course? Why should I repeat the course?
You know, the Art of Living teaches how many courses? How many courses is taught by the Art of Living Foundation? Anybody wants to answer that for me? There are 57 courses offered by the Art of Living Foundation. 57 courses offered by the Art of Living. Out of 57 courses, Guruji will say only about the advanced course के बारे में बोलते हैं, repeat it. इसको repeat करते जाए. और खास करके इस pandemic के दौरान, इस lockdown के दौरान, Guruji said it, repeat it every 2 months. Repeat. और कोई कोर्स के बारे में 50 out of 57 courses he'll pick up this one course and say, so it is so important to repeat. Why? We are, हमारे अंदर इतनी स्तर है ना, there's so many levels for us to empty out. हमको empty करने के लिए इतने सारे स्तर है हमारे अंदर. तो पहले तो हमारे मन का जो perception, हमारे concepts, हमारे ideas, हमारे traumas, हमारा ईगो, क्या 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 इतना कुछ है खाली करने के लिए, इतना कुछ है हमारे अंदर खाली करने के लिए. ये बार बार कोर्स रिपीट करते हैं तो वी गो टू अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लेवल. डेफिनेटली रिपीट द एडवांस कोर्स व्हेनेवर यू गेट अ चांस, उसको कर लेना चाहिए.
Yeah, Aditi, go ahead.
Somebody is asking, you said that we have in us the seed for the entire creation. Could you elaborate on this?
I think it's quite obvious, no? It's quite, you know what is a seed, you know what is a tree. Your world is only an extension of what you are inside. So, somebody else's world, Jyotiji's world is different from Aditiji's world, Aditiji's world is different from Sailiji's world, everybody's world. Why? It depends only, their world depends on what is the seed inside of them. That's it. It's all come from that. Eventually, even this physical world, it has come from one thought. See, now this is where you have to start reading Yoga Vasishtha and start understanding Vasisthaji's point of view. कहते ये सारा चीज कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? One thought created this whole world. वो thought में इतनी शक्ति थी, that infinite source, that creator, उनके thought में इतनी power थी कि this whole thing got created. And he says the same is within you. आपके thoughts में इतनी power है कि your thoughts start manifesting around you. What are your thoughts? That is your seed. Your thoughts are your seed. And then he gives us a very powerful tip over there. He says, if your thoughts, there's a one chapter in the Yoga Vasishtha known as the 100 Rudras. एक chapter है 100 Rudras. And in one day, he says, like how he gives a story in which one day the Rudra thought, there's a thought came to him, like I am this. And then he became that, you know, then he became an elephant, and the elephant thought I'm a fly, and the fly thought, and then I saw chalte kya, and they all started manifesting. And one fine day, after hundreds of times, it became a swan. And the swan was moving in the water. Swan pani mein ja raha tha, and the thought came to the swan that I am Rudra. And he again became the Rudra again. So through the story, Vasishtha tells us, if a thought can create this entire world, he says a thought can liberate you also. अगर ये एक विचार के कारण आप दुनिया पूरी बन सकती है, तो विचार के कारण मोक्ष भी मिल सकती है. What matters is the quality of your thought. What are you holding on to? Are you holding on to jealousy, anger, regret? ये सब छोड़ो ना, ये सब छोड़ दो अभी. Can you just hold the I am fine the way I am? I am complete the way I am. I am blessed the way I am. I don't need all this external. For this moment right now here, I am complete the way I am. This moment I know that whatever I need is going to come to me at that point of time. It says your own thought can liberate you or your own thought can bind you. इसके गहराई समझने के लिए पढ़ लो आप जरा, start reading Vasishtha and all. It's like really immense and really intense. Yeah. So Maharishi ji also, Patanjali also tells us एक तत्व अभ्यासा. फिर वो हमें और टेक्निक्स भी देते हैं. वो कहते हैं चलो अब दुनियादारी है तो लोग भी है, लोगों के कारण फिर हमारे पास ईर्ष्या भी होती है, ये होता है जेलसी. तो हमको टिप्स भी देते हैं. फिर क्या कहते हैं, जो टिप्स देते हैं फिर. And then he says people who are successful, become happy for them. Feel joyous about them. So what happens is, अगर ये हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करें तो फिर ये मन के अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली जेलसी लेके आती है. फिर ये मन हमारा ऐसा है, अगर इसको आप सही मार्गदर्शन नहीं करते हो, it will hold on to the negative. It will bring regret, it will bring anger, it will bring negative. And then being a yogi, he goes further on. He says, okay, अगर mentally if you are stuck somewhere, अगर कहीं पर आप He says break the pattern of the breath. तो हमको सुदर्शन क्रिया के बारे में कह रहे हो. Breaking the pattern of the breath will break the pattern of the mind, and you can start thinking fresh and new again. Goes on to say, just imagine. देखो, he is again talking about the thought form. जो वशिष्ठ जी ने कहा था, if your thought can liberate you, तब महर्षि पतंजलि क्या बोलते हैं thought form में? Says ज्योतिष मते. You know, just imagine that you are nothing but a beam of light. एक गुरुदेव का मेडिटेशन भी बहुत सुंदर मेडिटेशन है, where he tells you just sit like a beam of light. बस आप लाइट ही हो. तो what does this light do? एक ज्योत क्या करती है? ज्योति माने नॉट ज्योति व्यास भी, लेकिन दूसरी ज्योति क्या करती है? जला देती है ना. It burns everything. Fire, what does fire do? It can simply burn down everything. It just burns. Sit like beam of light. Sit like your jyot. एक ज्योत मान के बैठ जाओ. It burns all the thoughts. A very powerful meditation. वो सारे विचार को पिघाल देता है, सारे फीलिंग्स को, सारे इमोशंस को, सारे को just winds it up. It just closes all of it down. Yeah. And then again, Maharishi, talking about Maharishi, he goes on further to say. He says, at least अच्छा ये सब नहीं कर सकते हो, at least think of a divine person. Think of bring them into your consciousness. What will happen? वो qualities आपके conscious में पैदा हो जाएगी. देखना, आप जिनको बहुत ज्यादा याद करते हो ना, आप उनके जैसा हो जाते हो. हाँ, अक्सर हम किसको याद करते हैं? जिनके ऊपर आपको बहुत गुस्सा है, उसने मुझे ऐसा किया, उसने, वो बड़ा खड़ूस है, वो बड़ा ऐसा है. क्या होता? धीरे धीरे हम उनके ऐसे हो जाते. Use this knowledge intelligently. Think about those people who are divine, who are holy, who are polite, who are successful. Think about them. वो गुण आपके अंदर आ जाता है. If you read the Narad Bhakti Sutras, okay. So if you read the Bhakti Sutras, I'm just telling the gist. There's a lot of knowledge. I'm just telling the gist. तो अलग अलग संतों ने कैसे बताया क्या क्या करना चाहिए. तो महर्षि पराशर ने कहा कि उन पूजा पाठ से होती है. फिर किसी ने कहा उनके गीत गाने से, गुण गाने से, सत्संग करने से. बट महर्षि जी नारद जी पुट्स हिज लास्ट, कहते कि ऐसा ऐसा करना चाहिए. क्या कहते वो? फर्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 1, he says shun bad company. जो बैड कंपनी है, जो बुरा असर है, बुरा संगत है, पहला स्टेप नंबर 1, shun that out of your life. पहला उसको दूर कर. फिर सेकंड क्या कहते हैं? सेकंड कहते हैं instead of that, find an enlightened being, find a guru, find an enlightened being and get involved in that सेवा. भले अगर उनके घर जाके झाड़ू मारना पड़े, कुछ करना पड़े, उनकी सेवा में जुड़ जाओ. फिर तीसरा क्या कहते हैं? लेकिन such a being is difficult to find. It is difficult to find an enlightened being. You cannot find them. So, okay, even if you cannot find an enlightened being, remember God within your own self. You will still overcome all the obstacles that will go. अगर वो भी नहीं मिले, कोई बात नहीं. Live in your heart. Live in your heart. Find God over there. Remember that, and that will still take you across all the problems over there. So really, if you go to see all of these Maharishis, all the different ideas, all the Brahmagyanis, they have told us at the end of the day is what? Find it within you. हमारे अंदर है वो. बस अब ये पूछना नहीं अंदर जाने का ऑब्स्टिकल क्या है. अब ये पूछना है अंदर जाने के लिए भी ऑब्स्टिकल है भाई. बाहर के रास्ते में मैं मानूंगा ऑब्स्टिकल है. बाहर के रास्ते में बहुत, अंदर जाना ये भाई आपके ही हाथ में है, ये और किसी के हाथ में है नहीं. प्लीज डोंट empower somebody else to you keep the power with at least your internal power. ये अंदर की दुनिया आपके हाथ में है. बॉटम लाइन किसी और के हाथ में नहीं है. That is within you. Yeah, it is within your own reach. You have been made like that. इसे हमें बनाए गए.
There is one more question, and it typically comes under those who are working in corporate offices. So somebody is asking how to control our mind when a time-bound or last-minute work arrives.
Yeah, see, it is like asking. देखो, आप एक वॉर की तैयारी कभी करते हो? वॉर के दौरान करते हो कि वॉर के पहले करते हो? वेरी ऑब्वियसली नो, वॉर के पहले करते हो. So if you are in the middle of all of this, then you think, oh, what to do. आप क्या करो? Don't meditate twice a day. घर से निकलते पहले आप आपका क्रिया वगैरह सब do that. When you come back again, do your sahaj. So what happens? Your preparation is so strong that whatever challenges you face in the office, your preparation is so strong, you'll easily come out of it. आपकी preparation अगर मजबूत नहीं है, तो that time you are going to feel stressed over it. You are going to feel caught up in the problem. So your preparation is far more strong, far more important than what are you going to do that point of time. तैयारी में आप जाते हो, you will easily overcome it. You've gone prepared, you're going to a different city, you need some, you need to spend money, so आप क्या करते हो? कैश भी लेके जाते हो और अपना कार्ड भी लेके जाते हो. आप गए वहां पर तो वो बोलते हैं भाई ये नहीं चलेगा, वो जो preparation guys, your preparation is going to see you through everything. आप लास्ट मौके पे उठ के बोलेंगे भाई ये क्या करे वो क्या करे, you are going to get lost. So don't wait till the last, prepare it every day. रोज डेली अपनी क्रिया करो, साधना करो. In the evenings do your सहज. हर 2-3 महीने में एक बार जाके हॉलो एंड एम्प्टी करो. अक्सर हम मेडिटेशन कभी करते हैं जब प्रॉब्लम में आने के बाद, एडवांस कोर्स कभी करते हैं स्ट्रेस में आने के बाद, सोचते हैं अभी मुझे एडवांस कोर्स चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं. You just sit and do an advanced course whenever you're getting the opportunity. Do it. All this preparation, which is preparing you for those moments.
I'm working. This is a question from someone. I'm working and I'm doing seva also, but I enjoy seva more than my work. So how do I balance to progress in my career also?
Yeah, I also enjoy seva more, but कुछ ड्यूटी है, कुछ फर्ज है, अपना फर्ज भी पूरा करो. कुछ फर्ज मान के करो, कुछ एंजॉयमेंट मान के करो. दोनों का अपना स्थान है. So do it. You're still on the right path. If you are working and doing seva and you're enjoying seva more, you're still on the right path. Do one as your duty, do one as like you just enjoy it. आप enjoy करते हो, दोनों को complete करो.
Hasan Bhaiya, this session would be incomplete if you would not share your experience of overcoming obstacles. I'm sure you have traveled so many countries. कुछ तो obstacles भी कुछ नहीं, बहुत कुछ आए होंगे. If you can share, please, one instance, such guru story with all of us.
I think for me, it was always faith. For me, I've got a lot of spiritual strength coming from faith. Knowing that when you're on this path, knowing that you're connected to a beautiful source, knowing that you're connected to something so powerful, you can easily overcome everything. And also, like going back to Bhakti Sutras, when he says live from your heart. So, I'm not scared of making mistakes. I'm not scared of going wrong. I'm not scared. Like, koi baat nahi, chalenga, ye bhi chalenga, wo bhi chalenga. You go through it. So there's been plenty of occasions where I think the answers, the solutions are all there within it. The minute you are willing to live from your heart, all that stuff starts opening up within you. वो सब होता है. And with faith, a lot of things are possible. So Gurudev had said many years back, many in my initial years, 1999, 2000 mein, one of my first few satsangs that I was attending with Guruji. So he said, इस राह पे जो भी चलता है, जो भी इस राह पे चलता है, आपको जंगल में भी कोई खीर लाके देगा. You'll never have lack in your life. You'll never have this and all. So I really liked what he said. And then just because I liked what he said and I believed in what he said, and that's how I went further and further and further. And then again, he really sent me to a lot of jungles. बहुत सारे जंगल नसीब में हुए. कहाँ विदेश में, कहाँ वॉर जोन्स में, बहुत सारे जंगल में. फिर लेकिन ये बात भी सच हुई कि जंगल में भी खीरी आपको कोई लाके देगा. You are taken care of. You find situations, people who are taking care of you. All that you need is available to you over there. ये सारा आपके लिए वहां पर उपलब्ध है. It all happens, it works.
Hasan Bhaiya, how to inspire people to join the course, to learn Sudarshan Kriya? We want our family members and friends to do the course. How do we inspire them?
See, I tell you what, you don't have to work very hard. I mean, it's like kind of, you have to present the course like common sense. Like, you want to get over your stresses, you want to get over your difficulties, you want to overcome, you want to enjoy good health, good mind. ये रास्ता है. अच्छा, बहुत सरल रास्ता है, नेचुरल रास्ता है, आसान रास्ता है. जल्दी सीख सकते हो, जल्दी इसका इफेक्ट देखते हो. Everything is so beautiful over here. But if you want to get stuck to your stresses, if you want to carry your tensions, if you want to carry your ill health, if you want to live a depressing life, मेरे साथ ओ मैं, अगर डिप्रेसिंग लाइफ करना है तो कोई बात नहीं, आपको उसमें मजा आ रहा है तो लीजिए भाई, उसमें मजा आ रहा है. So it is really, doing the course is really a no-brainer. इसके लिए कुछ ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगता है, बस that people know this, that's about it. No hard work required. No, I don't think so there's any hard work or any hardcore explanation required. I think it is quite clear. ये बहुत clear है. हमको हमारे स्ट्रेस के साथ रहना है, ट्रॉमा के साथ रहना है, डिफिकल्टी के साथ रहना है, डिप्रेशन के साथ रहना है, या we want to overcome all of this and live a life of celebration. Huh? So everyone knows there is an advanced course planned, 8th of October, no? 8th of October.
Yes. We have another beautiful opportunity to spend more time with Hasan ji and soak in the wisdom and take gifts and devotion. So that is happening from 8th of October, 8, 9, 10, Navratri special. Hasan bhaiya, can we tell everybody, there are a lot of people who have just done the course, online meditation breath. What is the significance of Navratri and the advanced course during Navratri? I think that will really inspiring.
So have you noticed yourself sometimes, like in the morning, you are more energetic compared to the afternoon? इंसान वही है, आप वही हो. Morning hours you got more energy, afternoon hours you can become dull. एक cycle होता है आपके energy का, है ना? इसी तरह से हमारे जो अंदर का जो वातावरण है उसका भी एक cycle होता है. So Navratri, there are certain days of the year where according to that cycle, that inside is at its peak moment. वो अपने peak पे है, वहां पर जाके पहुंचना आसान है. जैसे आप आग बंद करते हो, instantly can go over there. जैसे आप एक समुद्र देखते हो, उसका समय होता है हाई टाइड एंड लो टाइड. आप लो टाइड में फिर आप वहीं पर हाई टाइड में you enjoy the waves and stuff like this. So similarly, हमारी जो अंदर की दुनिया है उसका भी एक होता है टाइड सीजन जैसा होता है, हाई टाइड, लो टाइड एंड स्टफ लाइक दिस. नाउ Navratri is one of those times you close your eyes and you've gone into the world of subtlety. एक आप एक एनर्जी दुनिया में जाते हो. So it's a very beautiful time to be meditating during that. So Navratri itself is broken into like 3 days of tamas, 3 days of rajas and 3 days of sattva. So what happens by default, sattva is at its peak over there. So it's like बारिश हो रही है, बस आप जाके नहा लो. That's it. आपको कोई करना कुछ नहीं. The river is flowing. Now go and take a dip. You have to do nothing over there. You don't even have to swim in the river. You just have to be there. The river, you just float over there. The river will take you to the destination. Will take you over there to the ocean. So Navratri is one of those seasons, one of those times where you have to do nothing. Just be there. That's it. It all starts happening for you.
Yes, Hasan bhaiya, I think many of them are inspired now and want to join the Navratri course. It's so special. Yeah, like he said, you have to experience it to know it. So I have shared the details on the chat box. Okay, those who want to register can take the opportunity. And thank you, bhaiya, so much for joining us. And for all those who want to join us for Seva, for the Navratri course, for the online meditation and breath workshop, please drop in your numbers. And we have, Hasanji, we have a new thing started. We are starting this new thing for those who have not done the Art of Living course. We have some free workshops for them, and we just request everybody to send those people. आज भैया से सुना ना, सब बताना है. There's no brainer there, हाँ, कि Art of Living का कोर्स क्या है. तो ये एक मौके होंगे आपके पास लोगों को involve करने के. So you can send people to that as well. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. We went from Yog Vashishta to Narad Bhakti Sutra, Patanjali Yog Sutra, all the Mahan scriptures ka journey ho gaya, thanks to you. And I'm sure everybody has found that resilience, that strength to deal with any obstacles. And bite by bite, thoda karke, we'll remember that for sure. Thank you so much, Hasan Bhaiya. Such a pleasure to have you with us, to give your time. Thank you so much. And we will see Bhaiya.
Big thank you to all the organizers. Really, guys, everybody put your hands together for all the organizers, for Jyoti ji, for Aditi ji, for Joshita ji. And there are many such people. A बहुत बड़ा team है, and they're working so beautifully. They're working so nice. They really, really deserve a big round of applause. All our Art of Living teachers, volunteers, organizers, really, they do such wonderful work. वो सबके भलाई के बारे में सोचते हैं. This itself is like wow. This itself is like big step forward in the direction towards the infinity, towards the universe. मेरे हाथ से और कुछ हो सकता है. What can I do in my small? घर पे बैठ के मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? That is also superb. Don't limit yourself to ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. But what can I do? That's it. Superb. So I am really grateful to all our teachers, organizers, volunteers, guys. Hats off to all of you. Great job. And let's keep meeting more often.